This is the Mystique floor plan by Webb Viera. Now, this popular floor plan is available in several different configurations. Today, I'm going to take you inside and give you some more information on cost of ownership, pricing, and different ways that you can get this popular home. I'll see you inside. The Mystique is probably one of the most popular floor plans here at Webb Viera, or at least it's the one that we get asked the most about. So we're going to explore that today. And as you can see, it comes in several different configurations. You can get this anywhere between a 2 to 4 bedroom, ranging from 2 to 3 bathrooms, and even a square footage ranging from 1889 to almost 2,400 square feet. So I'll explain how that works as we work our way through the home. Let's head inside and check it out. The Mystique model that we're going to be looking at today is a structurally upgraded floor plan, basically meaning it's going to have more square footage and some additional rooms, but I'll explain more about that as we walk through to give you a better idea on what the standard configuration is compared to what this is and even what some additional options are. So since we're up here, we're going to start off in the front of the house. Now, the base level of Mystique is going to come in as a 2-bedroom with an office. So this bedroom right here is the second bedroom, as we're going to call it. So this bedroom is always going to be here. You'll notice certain things like 8-foot high doors, both closet doors and interior doors. They've got a smooth panel finish. You've got recessed lighting in the rooms. And Webb at Viera is loaded with standard features. In fact, there's so many, we're probably not going to cover all of them in today's video. But if you want a copy of that, please reach out. We would love to send you that. And we help people from all over move right here to Viera. So if you're thinking about doing that, we would love to be that resource for you. You can call, text, or email us. I've got our contact information in the description of this video. So since we're here, I'll give you the dimensions of this front bedroom. This is going to come in at 11.9 by 11.2. So you've almost got a 12 by 11 standard closet. And then also off the front of the house right here is going to be the second bathroom. So bathroom 2 is going to be standard size bathroom, single sink vanity, shaker style cabinets. This one's got the quartz tops. Now it does have a tub shower combo with tile to the wall. If you wanted to change that out to a walk-in shower, you've got the ability to do that as well. You've got a coat closet off the front, which we don't really use here in Florida. So if you want a place to park the Dyson, that's the perfect Dyson garage. And then this is where things start to change it up a little bit. The base level of, the base floor plan structurally is going to be a little bit different right here. This is still going to be the same. This is going to be the same. This is where you'll notice the biggest change. So we'll start off here. This is the laundry room. Since we're in this part, this one does have the built-in cabinets here with the countertop and the sink. This is a pretty big laundry room because you'll notice everything's offset here with the washer and dryer. They've got cabinets up top. And then this is just the air handler closet, but it's actually got a bunch of extra storage right here around the corner. So if you've got a place that you want to hide all the Christmas decorations, I think this would be a great place for that as well. And then this is also where your low voltage panel is going to be. So your modem, your router, everything's going to go right here. Everything's pre-wired with Cat 6 cables, so it's ready to go. Your entire house is wired. You've got coax in here. So whatever you need for low voltage, all that's going to go right here. Super efficient, very thoughtful. And so let's go check out this suite right now. Okay, so this is going to be in this particular home. This is going to be the third bedroom. This is an additional upgrade. This is considered a structural upgrade. So this adds a third bedroom, and it also adds a third bathroom. So this one's going to come in as a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, as I mentioned, with the garage. So normally this space we're in right now would actually be part of the garage. This is a really big garage at the base level. This would almost be like a place where you could park your golf cart, but they've got this one set up as a workout room, full-size closet with the bypass door here. And then this is a full bathroom with a single sink vanity. It's got a tub shower combo. And I'd say this bathroom is a little bit bigger than the second one that we saw in the front of the house. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go into the garage, and I'll give you a better perspective on what this space is actually like in the standard configuration. So in this configuration, as it sits, you can see you have a standard size 2-car garage, same epoxy floor that we see from Webb, high polished epoxy floor. Almost a curbless entry, I would say, into the house. So there's no curb to get up onto the grade level of the home. And you'll notice the garage is kind of bare. There's no water heater, there's no hurricane shutters. Well, that's because Webb includes impact rated windows at the base level, so you don't necessarily need hurricane shutters. You're still gonna get the wind mitigation credits for your insurance. You're not gonna have to board up for storms because you're gonna have impact windows. And there's no water heater. Well, that's because these are on a tankless gas water heater system, so there's no water heater tank in the garage. Now, just imagine this area right here being completely open and going all the way back where that other bathroom and bedroom were. Essentially, this right here is that bathroom we were just in, and then beyond that's the bedroom. So at the base level, this is gonna be a 2-car garage, and then it's almost gonna have an extra bay right here. So if you wanna pull in a golf cart, or if you wanna have something, I don't know, tools, workshops, whatever you want, it's gonna have a bigger garage. In this area right here, if this was the garage configuration, that would add an extra 10 by 15 and a half on that side of the garage. The standard garage dimensions here are roughly 20 by 20. So what we'll do now is we'll head back into the house. I'm gonna show you another part of this house that's configured a little bit different and where you have some more flexibility on choosing your floor plan. So this is the office area. Right now, of course, this is set up as an office. It's got French doors with the glass panel insert, but you have the option of making this a 4th bedroom. Essentially, that would put a wall right here, and the entryway to this bedroom would be off that hallway to the front. So this is base level, a 2-bedroom. The way this one's configured, it's a 3-bedroom because it has that addition. If you needed a 4th bedroom, you have the option of adding that here. The space of this room, the way it's configured, comes in at 12.2 by 10. They call this a flex room or an office. If you were gonna configure it as the bedroom, it's gonna come in at 10 by 12, and it's gonna add that closet way right there. So different options, different ways you can configure this house. This is the standard configuration for the living room layout right here. You'll notice it's got an open concept living space. You've got your living room here, you've got your kitchen, you've got your dining area. There are some other ways that you could configure this as well if you wanted to add more square footage and more living space to your home. We'll talk a little bit more about that here in just a minute. And also, I am gonna go over pricing, cost of ownership, and some other things that you need to know about lifestyle here at Del Webb. So make sure you guys stick around till the end because we're gonna cover that in just a minute. So let's work our way into the primary bedroom suite on this house. We'll kind of come back and I'll tell you a little bit more about the configuration of this specific kitchen in this model. So this is gonna be your master bedroom suite. You notice you've got can lighting, you've got tray ceilings, lots of natural light in here, really nice open space. The dimensions of this room are gonna be 14.1 by 16. So this is a really generous sized bedroom in my opinion. I also like that they use the pocket door to enter the bathroom right here. So there's really no door to swing. Gives you a lot of options with the way you wanna configure your furniture. Really nice size dual sink vanity here. And then the giant party shower, as they like to call it here at Del Webb. It's got the rainfall head. You've got recessed lighting in there, curbless entry. This one's got like a river rock tile on the floor. Then you've got your water closet in here. You've got a linen closet just for the bathroom, inside the bathroom, and then a giant walk-in closet in the back. All right, what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna head back outside. I'll give you the information on how this particular model is configured and some other things that you could do to change the outside configuration. Then we're gonna come back in, go over the kitchen, talk more about pricing and cost of ownership here at Del Webb. So this Mystique has a really nice outdoor lanai configuration. This area that we're in right now is another structural upgrade that you could do. This part of the lanai right here is 13 by 10. There's actually an ability to extend your living space. So you would basically be bringing your living room all the way back here to be flush with your dining room, giving you that extra 130 square feet of living space. And then you would still have lanai area right here off the back. One of the things that I love that they do here at Del Webb is everything is pre-plumbed for your outdoor kitchen. So these are all natural gas. There's natural gas right there. So you can have your outdoor kitchen installed later if you don't want to do it now. The other thing that I think is cool about this particular floor plan here is it does have this pocket slider off the living room. So you've got all three of these panels that push all the way back. They pretty much go flush right here. I know it's not a feature you'd be able to use all the time in Florida, but when the weather cools off a little bit, especially if you have a waterfront lot like this, you're gonna get that nice evening breeze. You can open up the house. As you'll notice here, this one next to us has a pool. So if you wanna add a pool, that is an option with Del Webb if you wanna do it with the builder, or you can always do it after you own the home on your own. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna take you back inside. I'm gonna give you some more information on the configuration of the kitchen in this particular property, because it does have something that's a little bit unique. Then we're gonna talk more about pricing and cost of ownership. I'll see you inside. The kitchen in this model is gonna be more of a gourmet level kitchen. It's got lots of upgrades. You'll notice the sink is in the island, the dishwasher's in the island. It's got extra storage here on the edge of the island. This has the built-in wall mount oven and microwave. You've got a nice size walk-in pantry there. I believe this is a 36-inch cooktop. Everything is gas, so it's a fully gas range, vented hood. They've done a nice backsplash in this one. These are more of a, I would say like a mocha colored cabinet. They've got crown molding, French door refrigerator with slide out freezer. And you've got a lot of selections here. If you decide to build from scratch, you have a lot of choices in your final selections. Now, of course, those upgrades do come at a price, so let's talk more about that. As far as cost of ownership goes, here in the distinctive collection, which are the 50-foot home sites like we're on right now, there's gonna be a $370 a month association fee. Now that's gonna be all inclusive of your exterior landscaping, so you don't have to do anything. It's also gonna include your cable and internet. You're gonna get a gold level golf membership at the Durand Golf Club. If you want more information about everything that includes, then reach out, I'll be happy to give that to you. Now there is a $2,000 initial contribution fee for new owners. The club fee when the clubhouse is open is gonna be an $840 initial fee. Now that clubhouse is expected to open in 2025, so that fee isn't due until it opens. And in the meantime, Del Webb is actually taking one of the spec homes that they're building, and they're gonna convert it into a temporary amenity center for residents. So it's gonna have a gym, it's gonna have some type of outdoor living space. So they are trying to make some accommodations for early residents until that's complete. Now, Del Webb Viera is part of the Central Viera Community District, so that has a $230 per year assessment. This is also part of the Viera Stewardship District, and that's gonna come in at $1,135 per year. Now the Mystique at the base level starts off at $499,000. Again, these are gonna be the 50-foot lots. Now I've seen lot premiums range anywhere between $23,000 to $88,000, depending on whether it's a corner lot, water view, you name it. The lot premiums can really vary. Pool packages are available. Those are gonna start at about $100,000 for a standard pool with an enclosure and paver deck. If you want a luxury pool, those are gonna be closer to $150,000. Now that's if you do it through Del Webb. You can always do it after you own the home. Now, there's also going to be the upgrades that you would need to account for, whether those are the finishes or some of the structural upgrades like we saw in this home that added that extra bedroom, the extra bathroom, and the extra square footage. So that's gonna range really depending on how you choose to finish your home and the lot that you choose for it to be on. So what would that actual cost be if you were gonna buy a home like this? Well, we know the base level price is just under $500,000. The way that this one is finished right now without the pool is gonna cost close to $625,000. Now again, that could change, so definitely reach out if you want the most up-to-date information. And if the Mystique model isn't the right fit for you, we've actually explored all of the other models here in Viera. If you wanna join us on that, you can watch that right here. I'll see you guys there.